Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG, and it's pretty neat and pretty self-explanatory. But next time, for anybody, if you'll send me the file, so I just created kind of like the same shape. I'm going to left click, right click, but then I'm going to extend it up. But I want to know to keep it even. The best way I could think about it would bring in an indexing line and have it snap to that node, and then double click on your indexing line and put it on that, and then get about right in here and bring it and have it snap to it. That's going to give you a guideline. Now, if you go to get your shape tool and select both these nodes, and let's say we want to go to here, that guideline is going to help you get there because you can go all over the place, but it'll snap right to that intersection. And then we could actually even use his same color green by getting the eyedropper tool and putting in there, and then take away the outline and take away the indexing line, and you have that shape. I'm hoping that's what he was asking, and thank you for watching.